Meaning of Debenhams.
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 Debenhams. Debenhams is a British department store chain that was founded in London in 1778. The brand offers a wide range of products including clothing, cosmetics, and household items. Over the years, Debenhams has become a staple in the UK retail industry, but in recent years, it has struggled to keep up with the competition from online retailers. In 2020, the company entered administration and began closing stores, with the final closure occurring in December of that year. Despite its rich history, Debenhams' financial difficulties ultimately led to its demise.